The Scripps Howard Foundation honors excellence in investigative reporting, the Ursula and Gilbert Farfel Prize. The winner is The Afghanistan Papers, A Secret History of the War by Craig Whitlock of The Washington Post. The Washington Post spent 3 years and 2 lawsuits obtaining secret documents from a project called Lessons Learned. The project was created by SIGAR, an agency created by Congress. SIGAR stands for Special Inspector General for Afghanistan Reconstruction. Lessons Learned consisted of hundreds of interviews with U.S. officials in charge of Afghanistan.
The report, if you had to sum it up, showed that the lessons of Vietnam were not learned. The misleading superiors, misleading information going up the chain of command, mistake after mistake.
The Washington Post eventually obtained 2,000 previously unreleased pages of documents from the report. The 6-part investigative series revealed presidents, generals, and diplomats misled the American public.
It was an amazing investigative piece that countered the narrative from the government in regards to the war in Afghanistan, and countering the narrative that we were doing well. This really stood out because of the length of time to be able to get these documents, but also how the story was told. It was very engaging. It was really good storytelling.
So when you look at Afghanistan, every single measurable activity is failing.
The multimedia report included graphics, interviews, and links to hundreds of documents.
I thought that gave it credibility. It allowed the public to be able to look at the documents on their own and see exactly where these statements were being made.
The cost of the war in Afghanistan has been steep. 2,300 U.S. troops have died. The ongoing war has cost $1 trillion.
This is the same story from the Pentagon Papers, early 1970s, where you have U.S. presidents who don't want to be the first president to lose a war. We need to know this history because we keep repeating it again and again. And so the impact should be that anybody who believes in a functioning democracy and what we've been through for the last 2 decades, I can't imagine a higher impact.
In a long career, I have seen few pieces on a topic as immense as war, this definitive and this comprehensive.